IT leaders, do you remember when your HQ was the center of your business network and you threw a bunch of connectivity at it and you drove all of your locations and remote workers through that headquarters security edge way back then? Well, then the cloud happened and COVID happened, and we stopped talking about connectivity. We stopped talking about locations, and our data center and our cloud became the core of the network. Speeds and feeds, important, but maybe not interesting. My guest on this episode of the Bridgecast is Anthony Lobretto of cloud services provider 1111, where he's the SVP of connectivity services. He's also a serial entrepreneur with not one, but two successful exits over the past decade and some change. And I asked him, frankly, what's a cloud company like 1111 doing worrying about connectivity? His answer may surprise you. If you have a hybrid cloud infrastructure, particularly in Amazon, you need to listen to this episode. Not convinced it'll be worth your time? Well, when I asked him what he learned over his time as an entrepreneur, he said the hardest thing about entrepreneurship is convincing people to believe in something they can't see. I think it's worth 25 minutes to find out if you can. Click the link below to see the full episode or search and subscribe the Bridgecast on YouTube, Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or your favorite podcast platform.